morning, scholars. Welcome to Science with Mrs. Halka. Today we're going to be talking about the nervous system. The nervous system kind of works like your TV remote or a remote for a car or a plane. It's your message system. So when you push that button on the TV remote to turn the TV on, it sends that message to the TV and it tells the TV what to do. Our nervous system is controlled by our brain. And our brain goes all the way down our brain stem into our spinal cord, which is in our spine, and it sends out messages through our nerves. It also controls our senses, our taste, our touch, our smelling, our hearing, and our sight. And it sends out these messages to all parts of our body. There are two types of muscle groups, too, that we're going to focus on a little bit further down the line when we talk about the muscular system. But one of the senses that goes through your body, through your nervous system, is your involuntary muscle. It's the muscles you don't think about. Right now, your brain is telling its lungs to breathe. It's telling your heart to pump. You're not even thinking about it. Your brain is always working. This piece right here works even while you're sleeping. So let's play a fun game now and see how I can use my brain to decipher different objects. So I had my daughter come up with 5 different objects. I don't know what they are. I'm going to put on my blindfold and she's going to give them to me and tell me what I'm going to do. Am I going to taste it? Am I going to touch it, smell it, hear it, or see it? Once I have to get to seeing, obviously I'm going to take off my blindfold. But make sure you are doing this with an adult and don't ever smell or eat anything unless you have permission, because some things can be harmful. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm ready. I've got my blindfold on, my hand is out, and she's going to tell me what to do with each item.
Taste.
Okay, so I'm going to taste this. First of all, because my senses are touching it, I know that it's round and it's smooth. Can't really smell anything. I lick it, I can't taste anything. So she says it's safe to eat, so let me try. Ooh! Was it a cherry tomato?
Yes.
All right, next one.
Smell.
Okay, I'm feeling it. My senses are always working. It's a little bumpy. Ooh, that part's wet. Ooh, can I taste it too?
Sure.
Ooh, I was right. It smells like a lemon. And when I tasted it, my taste buds registered with my brain to tell me it was sour. So it's a lemon. Next one.
Touch.
Ha! It was cold water. That's exactly what my brain cells have told me and my nervous system that I want to touch it. That's why you pull your hand away from a flame. It's helping you. It's protecting you. All right, so we've done taste, touch, and smell. Now I've got to do sight. So let's see if I take this one off. Let me put my glasses on so I actually have some sight. Oh, this looks like a chipmunk. And I can see that it has little feet, it has eyes. I can tell you the colors on it, light brown, dark brown, white, black. I can tell that he's about 8 inches long and that he's not real. So that was my sight. Now she's going to play a sound for me to hear. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to listen and I'm going to use just my senses around me to hear what's going on. Okay, that sounds like a fire truck or an ambulance. I know that my brain is telling me that there is an emergency. And now my dog is even singing with us. So the siren that I hear, even though I may not be able to see it, especially if your parents are driving or you're at school, you know that that means that there's some sort of emergency that a vehicle is trying to get to. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and we now know that we have our heart, our lungs, and our brain that are all working together with our senses. So stay safe, scholars, and I'll see you tomorrow.